Hey guys, welcome to Team Cuisine. I'm Lexi.
I'm Cheers.
And we are from Tucker High School, and today we will be making shrimps. Scampi.
Shrimp? It's shrimp. No S.
We all know it's no S in shrimp. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. So we all know we need shrimp to make shrimp scampi.
What kind of shrimp?
So I have tiger shrimp, but you can use any type of shrimp. It doesn't matter. If you want a more filling meal, you can use a larger shrimp, or if you want like a lunch meal, you can use a smaller shrimp. Here I have tiger shrimp, which is a more sweet type shrimp.
Why do they call it tiger shrimp?
See me, I would think it's because of the little black lining on the shrimp right here. You see it? See the little black lining? It's not really like tiger stripes, it just got the little black.
That's no fun.
Yeah, it's no fun. I wish it had stripes, it'd be cooler. Anyways, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna wanna saute this shrimp, but you have to get the saute ready in order to saute the shrimp.
So what ingredients are we using?
You're gonna wanna put 4 garlic cloves in there.
4.
You can buy the garlic, you can buy a whole garlic clove and cut it yourself, or you can use the already minced pre-made garlic, and you just take a half a teaspoon in there and it'll equal up to, you use 4 of those, 1/2 is equal to 1.
Is it better to use margarine or butter?
Me preferably, I would use butter because it's more, it gives more flavor, it makes the shrimp pop a little bit more, it's a little saltier. But you can use a margarine, but it's like a man-made butter. You know, butter make it taste better. No. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this butter in a fry pan and you're gonna let it melt.
Okay.
So after we got the butter melted, you know you got the butter flowing, you're gonna wanna put 4 garlic cloves in there.
4.
You can buy the garlic, you can buy a whole garlic clove and cut it yourself, or you can use the already minced pre-made garlic and you just take a half a teaspoon in there and it'll equal up to, you use 4 of those, 1/2 is equal to 1. So you can do that. Once you throw that in the pot, you let the juices get flowing from the butter and you add in some onions.
What kind of onion?
This is a white onion, but you can really use any onion. All onions add flavor to it. So you're gonna wanna finely dice up half of an onion and throw it in there and you got your saute going. So after that, you're gonna wanna throw in your shrimp. So you got your saute going, you got your butter, your garlic, and your onions in there. You can wanna slide in the shrimp. And yeah, you got your shrimp up there and cooking. So you threw your shrimp in there with your butter, garlic, and onions. And now that you got your shrimp in there cooking, you want to add a little dash of salt, a little dash of pepper, a little parsley for flavor. And after it's done cooking, 3 to 5 minutes on both sides, you can add in your lemon. Me personally, I use my lemon, I roll it like this so you can get the juices flowing, and then you'll cut it in half. So you'll take it and just cut it in half. You can do that.
Is it better to use a fresh lemon?
I prefer a fresh lemon because it gives us more of a flavored pop than a lemon juice would, but you can use a lemon juice. It won't matter anyways.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna squeeze the lemon juice into a cup or whatever so you can measure it. And it's gonna be 2 teaspoons. We already got it measured here. So this is more than 2 teaspoons. You're gonna take your teaspoon, you're gonna just dip it in here, get your 2 teaspoons, and you got your stuff cooking. Now we're gonna pass it on to Grace so she can cook it up.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Team Cuisine. We have Grace here who prepared our food for us.
Thank you, Grace.
Thank you so much, Grace. It looks amazing.
Great, awesome. Okay, let's eat. I'm ready.
Okay, come on, let's dig in there.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Grace did that.
Well, we thank you guys so much for tuning in to Team Cuisine. We will see you guys next time.
Yeah.
We out.
Bye. Oh, and then you.